Hey everybody, welcome back, and in this video I will be showing you how to use Jotform AI agents. So let's just begin. First of all, to get started, what you can do is simply head over to your template section and simply start with AI agent templates. And basically these are going to be automated workflows that can help you to simply automate your tasks, like for example customer support, sales, school administration, so on and so forth. You can see the templates are literally endless on the left side of your screen. All right, so now what you can do is you can also head over to the link in the description below to get 50% off onto their plans. So that is going to be unlocking pretty much all the premium features of the site. So let's just go with the sales agent, and you can click on that and you can use the agent. So you can see we have this kind of um, chatbot. You can have it in chatbot way. You can have voice agent, phone agent. So I'm going to be going with normal agent. So you can see this is how it looks. You can even train it now. This is the important part where you can head over to train. You can add knowledge, like for example what this bot knows. You can edit it. So this is the information that should be added for the bot that he's going to be using for analyzing and giving the answers. You can upload file, link, question and answers. You can even add a YouTube link and Zendesk and Freshdesk incorporation and integration to even make your bot robust. So it gives the best of the answers. You can change the name, agent role, language, and tone. So these are some of the features that you can utilize. Finally, you can click on publish and you can use the AI agent. So that's how easy it is. You can see if you want to use 50% off, you can head over to the link in the description below.